You my bed, fool. I'm about to route. I'm about to take a shit. I gotta take a crazy shit too.
There you go. Nigga always gotta poop. Won't do it in public.
Fuck this booty. I'm trying to tell you, bro. Like noise, like I'm shitting and you go, yo, dang. That's gonna just close everything up.
It's gonna close the booty?
Yes, bro. You my man. Excellent.
I'm glad I was recording that. Let me make sure I got that on video. Let me make sure. Let me see. Yeah, there's a red light on my head. I got you. I got you. The Shop Chronicles, ladies and gentlemen. The Shop Chronicles.
Fucking with me. You're a whole different nigga now, bro.
Oh no, no. What you think I don't make gay jokes no more? No. You should have stayed quiet, because now you done got me started, sexy man. You shouldn't. Yeah, I always ask what's going on with Flea, then I show y'all. Before I take you out them cargo pants.
I should have stayed quiet.
What you want me?
Quiet again.
What you want me to take you out them pants? Matter of fact, come over here. Let me see what's going on with them pants. Smooth hands. Let me see. Let me see them smooth hands. No. I'm about to get to work right now. What you want to get in the car? You want to do it in the car? I'll get on the other side then. Come on. You know what he said? While I'm gripping your thighs, gotta be sick of this guy. Pull up skirt, get in the ride. Yeah, don't get me started. Don't get me started. Y'all niggas know I'm the gay joke master. Okay. Oil change. Let's do it. What is this, a Ford what? All these videos, I still don't know what this is. Ford Fusion SE. The year we'll find out a little later. I don't know. All right, oil filters right there. Oil pan right here. All right, let's scoot this bad boy up. Let's move our funnel. Okay, what's magnetic? Nothing's magnetic apparently, okay. I don't think that's gonna hit my, what's the name, my light. Let's grab the Holy Icon ratchet. Okay. More than likely a 14. You look like a minor. Oh, nah. 15. Still a minor. Okay. Yep, 15. Okay. Let's see. Lefty loosey, baby. All right, let's get this out the way so we can first break it free, right? Okay, 1, 2. Okay, let's do another one. 1, 2. All right. Wasn't even gonna count that time. I don't want to keep looking stupid. Alrighty. That's broken free. Now we can twist her off by hand. Let's make sure we're lined up so nothing spills on us, right? Okay. Let's get it to the very end. And then we'll yank. Oh, still got all over my hands. Nice one. Nice one. All right, we're gonna let that drain. This was a brand new shop towel before this happened. That oil is black as ever. Jesus Christ. Looks like Michael Blackson. God. Okay, let's put that back in my pocket. Now, let's grab that oil filter. Let's see if we can get this in a position where the oil will continue draining into the pan and I can still reach the oil filter. Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. Let me see, can this be screwed up by hand? No, it cannot. I need more muscles. That's why we have tools, though, ladies and gents. Look at you, look at you. Looking good, brother. We may need a swivel, even though I don't want to put a swivel on a tool that's already weird. Alright, I can barely see, so you guys won't see either. Actually, let's try it first without the swivel. Alright, that's it right there. Come on. Okay, not a swivel, but we definitely need an extension. Are you serious? This joint just started overflowing. Ain't my goddamn fault. Actually. I don't even know how this is gonna work. All right, let's put the drain bolt back in there. Don't wanna yank that too hard. Just let it sit for a second. And now let's get this out of my face. All right, first let's just break it free. All right. That's broken free. Now let's run this over here as fast as I can. Jesus, 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 Jesus. Okay. Now for this oil filter. Let's go. This is the worst right now. For being honest, this is honestly the worst. Jesus Christ. I didn't even get a chance to read it to see what type of filter this is. Oh, God. My goodness, God. What the heck? It looks like our guy. Yeah, threads. Okay, now we can let her down. But first, let's actually take thorough care of this oil spill. For this vehicle, we need 5 quarts of 5W20. 5W20 and synthetic blend is fine. This car drink more than my goddamn ex do. That bitch. Now, of course, never forget to start the car up, let it run for a good 30 seconds, then turn it back off and check your dipstick. Never forget. All right, now let's reset our oil light. Okay. Let's see, how do we do it? All right, so to reset the oil light, you want to go to reset the oil light on this 2016 Ford Fusion SE. You want to go to settings, vehicle, oil life reset, hold OK to reset. All done. It is now reset. Alrighty.